Okay, so tayo na tayong lahat tayo, okay? So, stand by, Daddy and Mommy, get ready. Pakikuha po yung ating celebrant na si Gab. Ready na po ba? Naka-standby na ba si Mommy and Daddy? Daddy, pakisamahan po si Mommy at Daddy. At syempre, of course, kasama yung ating celebrant na si Gab, okay? So, kailangan magkasama po si Mommy and Daddy and our celebrant Gab, okay? So, lahat papalakpak, okay? Pakikilala ko na sa inyo. Okay, so ready na po ba si Mommy and Daddy? Okay na? So, Daddy and Mommy, doon po tayo sa may harap, okay? Tapos, papasok kayo, pakikilala ko muna yung celebrant, ha? Alright? So, kids, are you ready, kids? Ready na ba? Okay, dahil excited na sila. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's all welcome. Okay? Our first birthday celebration, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to present name of celebrant. Palakpakan natin. Gab, together with Mommy and Daddy. Just give it a pour. Forward tayo, Mommy and Daddy. Happy birthday, Gab. Yay!